Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you an easy fun fold card based on this lovely card I received from fellow demonstrator Crystal. Now, if you've crafted with me before, you know that I love fun fold cards, and this one is so simple and easy to create, and you can decorate it any way you like. So today I'm going to be using the Wheel of a Time suite with the Designer Series paper, and this paper is so gorgeous with bright colors and striking underwater scenes. It is so fun to create with, and I'm going to show you some fun tricks along the way. So your cardstock measurements are as follows: a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a white insert of 4 by 3 inches, some extra cardstock of the same color as each other, and this is 1 5/8 by 4 inches and 3/4 of an inch by 4 inches. And then we'll need a piece of Designer Series paper that's 4 by 3, and some scrap colored cardstock and DSP for decorating your card. So to create this fun fancy fold, what we're going to do is get out the trimmer, and we're going to line up the card base in the trimmer with the center fold running horizontally. And I'm going to line this up at 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to cut from the center fold to the bottom of the card. And I'm going to slide it along until it's lined up at 4 inches. And again, I'm going to cut from the bottom to that center fold. And finally, I'm going to cut along that center fold from each edge to the cut that I've made so that I can remove these 2 side panels. And that's it. Now we've created that fun fold. Now I'm going to take these 2 strips of cardstock and I'm going to run them through my embossing machine with the Seabed 3D embossing folder. Now remember, when you're using these 3D embossing folders, you're going to use the special plate. In the annual catalog, this is called the specialty plate or plate 4, and it's the same as the blue plate from last year's catalog, which is the version that I have. I just love the amazing texture created by that embossing folder. It is a big wow. Next, I'm going to punch out a 2-inch circle from this beautiful Wheel of a Time DSP. And I'm going to punch out a starburst from Pacific Point cardstock. This is the same color as my card base. For my stamping, I'm going to add some cute little fish from the Whale Done stamp set, these cute little fish here. I'm going to add them on the DSP. This DSP is so great because it's got these beautiful scenes created already, and then you can just add some more fun elements, or you can leave it just as it is. And I'm also going to use this sentiment, "You're kind of a big deal," and I'm going to stamp that on my little DSP circle here. Thing about this DSP is that you can actually use the Whale Builder punch to punch out the whales on this paper. So yes, I could stamp my whale and then punch it out with the punch, but I'm going to actually just punch it out directly from this paper. I've already cut it out, and now I'm just going to line it up in my punch. And punch that out. I'm also going to use this punch to punch out this little water spout here from Pool Party cardstock. Okay, so my last step before assembling is that I'm just going to add some sponge daubing with Pacific Point ink around this little water spout to make it really pop from my background. Alright, all my bits and pieces are done. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I'm also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions, where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. You can find all these details on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!